Are you struggling with launching your online store? Tired of inventory headaches and complexity? Step into the world of effortless print-on-demand with Sellfy. Create your unique products and store all in one place, hassle-free. Design custom products effortlessly. Set your prices without restrictions. Promote and sell with ease, leaving order fulfillment to Sellfy. Enjoy over 100 diverse, high-quality products. Experience eco-friendly production with direct-to-garment and vivid prints. Benefit from worldwide shipping from 11 fulfillment centers, ensuring fast deliveries. Sellfy stands out by offering a unified platform. Say goodbye to managing multiple tools. Our built-in marketing features enhance your e-commerce experience dramatically. Empower your brand with exceptional quality that keeps customers coming back. Join the Gator Nation Football Podcast success story. Risk-free merchandising with great quality can be yours too. Don't miss out. Start your journey with Sellfy today. Simplify your e-commerce, boost your sales, and create effortlessly. Visit Sellfy and launch your store now.